another open box review. We just bought our new LED light from Dracast. It is the silver edition 500 LED 500 light by Dracast. Some contents inside, but this is the Dracast slim carrying case. I'll go ahead and open this up, and this is where your LED 500 is going to fit inside. There is something in the front here, and they went ahead and put the charging cable for the LED 500 in the front. But this is it. This is the LED 500, and it's a very, in the pictures it look bigger than what it is in person. It just looks so professional. I love the anodized blue. Like I said, blue is my favorite color. So just a quick rundown of the LED light here. We have two NPF battery sections on the back of this, as opposed to the V-mount option. Presets for the different temperatures, as this is a bicolor. Has 4-leaf barn doors included, which on the non-plus model you have to purchase them separately. Has a 45-degree beam angle, so it's not that much of a flood, and it's not that much narrow as well. It has a high CRI rating, color reproduction rating of 96. Another special feature for this Plus series is that it has infrared remote control, so it can control other Dracast LED lights. Because I've also opted in the NPF battery plate versus the V-mount, I've purchased a two set of Dracast 6600 NPF batteries. You can go ahead and get a judgment of the softness and the power output at ISO 400 on the GH5S. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Dracast and turn on the Vid Pro. And because my Vid Pro doesn't have a diffusion filter on, the light might seem a little bit more harsher. So take into account that as well. 50% power output, and this is at 5600 Kelvin. So coming toward the end of the review of the Dracast LED 500 Silver Series Plus light kit, there are a couple of misses as well as cons that I want to discuss and just go over real quick. Plus light, there are a couple of shortcomings. One such as the Barndoors, which I discussed a little bit earlier. It doesn't diffuse that much. It doesn't cut or block that much light spill. As you can see here, as I bring the barn doors closed, they don't necessarily meet and adjoin at the corners to kind of prevent light spill here at the bottom, as you can see, as well as in between the barn doors and the light panel itself. You have a nice little gap here. So bottom barn door. So with the barn doors installed here, it kind of limits your movement as far as tilting the light downward. And that also brings me to the next shortcoming, is that if you wanted to tilt this light downward with the barn doors or without the barn doors, this yoke in particular with the kit does not have the extra mounting point at the bottom in which you can take the yoke and bring it down just to kind of also tilt your light downward. So supply, and since it comes with a digital readout in the back, that would have been a nice feature to also show the battery life on the digital display. So that's one thing it doesn't have, and that would have been nice, but you can't have all within this really great price range. So that's just one thing to consider when you are about to buy this kit.